Well, all right, guys, Maker Central is coming up in 1 week. It is next weekend. I'm so looking forward to it. So I can't wait to meet up with everybody that's going over there. If you're attending the event, come up and say hi if you see me. I'm going to meet everybody and have a good time. So definitely come and say hi. So if you aren't aware of what it is or you want more information, Maker Central is just a big maker meetup. There's going to be all kinds of stuff going on, demonstrations on stages, Q&A panels, and then there's going to be lots of vendors, and a lot of people are getting booths. And they'll be like demonstrating stuff that they do and all that stuff. It's just a big fun event where a bunch of like-minded people are going to get together and have a good time. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, definitely head over to the Maker Central website, makercentral.co.uk. You can get your tickets there. You can find out who's going. You can see what vendors and kind of look at the map and the layout, see what's all going on the stages. So all the information for that kind of stuff is there. In this video, I also want to give you guys the updates for my schedule. I'm going to be doing demos at the Easy Wood Tools booth, as well as House of Resin, and I'm going to be doing a Q&A panel on one of the main stages for resin casting. So let's get into the schedule. All right, so first off, Easy Wood Tools booth. I'm going to be doing a lot of demonstrations. I got 5 scheduled over there. So I'm going to be spending a lot of my time at the Easy Wood Tools booth. If you're kind of looking around for me, that's most likely you'll find me there. So I have my time slots. I'm looking at my little cheat sheet here. So on Saturday, I got one at a demonstration at 10 o'clock, noon, and 5. So I'll be doing some sort of a turning. You guys probably saw the peacock feather blank. Hopefully I'll be working on that thing. And I got a whole box of a couple boxes actually of other blanks. So whatever, I pick out of there, I'll be turning something on the lathe at those times. So again, Saturday, 10, noon, and 5. And then on Sunday, 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. So lots of things going on there, and there's going to be tons and tons of stuff going on at the Easy Wood Tools booth. I think there's about 5 demonstrators that are doing stuff there. So that thing's going to be hopping. The other thing that I'm doing is a little talk on stabilizing, wood stabilizing at the House of Resin booth. That's going to be at 11:30 a.m. on Sunday. So I'm just going to kind of go through and explain the process a little bit, and then I plan to just have a lot of time for Q&A. I know a lot of people probably know, in general what's going on, but maybe have questions. So I'm going to kind of split that up. It's going to be about a 30-minute thing. I'm just going to kind of quickly go through the steps, talk about it a little bit, and then do a little Q&A. So 11:30 a.m. at the House of Resin booth. And last but not least, I'm going to be on a Q&A panel for resin casting with Jim Overton, Pam Harris, and Jake Thompson. We're just going to be kind of on the stage answering questions and talking resin casting. So it should be really fun. That's going to be Saturday, 3:30 p.m. on the second stage. All right, guys, it's going to be a jam-packed weekend full of fun. I can't wait to see you guys out there. If you need tickets or you need more information, head over to the website, makercentral.co.uk. And if you're looking for me at the event, chances are the best place to look is going to be at the Easy Wood Tools booth. I'm going to be spending a lot of time there anyway, so that's a good place to look. But if you see me walking around or at the other booths or whatever, definitely come up, say hi. Don't be shy. The whole point is to go and meet people, hang out, and have fun. So I can't wait to meet everybody. If there's any schedule changes or updates, I'm going to be probably posting those on Instagram stories. It's an easier thing. YouTube videos take a little bit longer to get up, so I probably won't be posting any more updates on YouTube. So make sure to follow me on Instagram for news updates and all that stuff. And if you are not able to go to the event, my wife and I are planning to really hit social media hard, kind of documenting and posting lots of stuff for Maker Central this year. So Facebook and Instagram, there's going to be lots of stuff there. We also plan to do a live stream at some point. I'm not sure when that's going to be. And that'll be kind of, as long as, we have good Wi-Fi signal and all that stuff. But I think we should be fine with that. So live stream at some point, and I'll be posting when that happens on Instagram and Facebook as well. So if you are traveling to the event, I hope you have safe travels. And yeah, so I will see you guys all next week. And it's going to be an amazing weekend. So I'll see you then.